guys, I am doing a haul today because last week I ordered some stuff from Youwish.com, Youwish.nl, which is the European distributor for all things brambleberry. So I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, maybe get some scissors, burn scissors. There we are. Okay, so these are probably, yes, these are my, well, these are the tops of my cupcake packaging for when I want to make cupcake soaps and package them. Then here I have clear lip care tubes, because I want to make some lip care products. This is a thank you for the order. Oh, and which is kind of new, because before they always added their soaps and they didn't write on it what kind it was. So you got a scent and you didn't know what it was, which was a bit stupid. So now you know. Oh, and this is yuzu, Sibylla. That really smells nice. Okay, next I have some SLSA, sodium lauryl sulfoacetate, for making bath bombs, and a bit of mica in moss green. No, this is pigment powder. And some titanium dioxide, because mine's out. And some sea clay. Then I ordered some fragrances because Christmas is nearing and I really need some new fragrance oils. This is Kentish Rain and Oatmeal Milk and Honey, which is favorite of a lot of guys in my family, but I really hate it. But, well, the others love it, I'm gonna have to do it right. So, this is red apple, because I couldn't get a proper apple scent anywhere in Germany. And tart apple, which is sort of like a Granny Smith. That's adorable. A little whisk, because I couldn't find one that small for a decent price. So I got this one. And let's see what else do I have. Right, more fragrances. This is pure chocolate. Espresso, because mine was pretty much empty. Cold water, another fan favorite. Then black tea. I've heard a lot of good things about it, so I bought some. And black raspberry vanilla, which is, I don't know, I think the most popular scent by Brambleberry. Then I've got some more oils. Some apricot kernel oil. And the mini ball mold, which I first saw in a video by Katie White from Royalty Soaps. And the lip balm filling tray. Then what else? And one of those funnel pour containers. Or fragrance oil. Rosehip jasmine and fresh snow. And for decoration, some orange slices dried. Okay, what is that? And some mini scoop thingies, because that's really tiny. Let's see what else. Oh yes, some midnight blue Le Balm color for bath bombs, obviously. Green tea extract. Oat extract, because I can't seem to find colloidal oatmeal anywhere. Some more fragrances, but this time in smaller amounts, just to try them out, you know. Beau Brummel. There we go. Ocean Rain. I'm interested in the difference between Ocean Rain and Kentish Rain. Then Mayan Gold. It's supposed to be a good Christmas scent also. Love Spell, which is a pretty popular scent in the United States, and I don't know what it smells like, so I bought some. And then some Christmas Forest, which seems to smell like Christmas trees. Cranberry and Fig, another Christmas scent. Come on. Some winter flavor oil, Winter Clementine. Come on. Which I am going to put in my lip balm. and some vanilla flavor oil, which I'm also going to put into lip balm. Okay, is there anything else in there? Oh! Okay, I think now I've got it. Okay. Some more fragrance oil in cucumber melon, because I've tried that in the spring and I really loved it. Some mysterious girl or dragon's blood. I don't know why they call it mysterious girl in the Netherlands, but okay. Some apple flavor oil. Well, come on. Some honey kisses flavor oil. Vanilla forest fragrance oil. And some oatmeal stout fragrance oil. Because I want to make a beer soap, and finding a decent sort of fragrance for that isn't all that easy. So, nope, I think that was it. So you can expect me to make some awesome soap in the future, and see you soon. Bye!